Hi guys, it's Anne here, and in today's video we're going to talk about Nudestix. So I'm going to talk specifically about the set that I recently bought. I bought this at the beginning of July. The set that I bought is the Nudestix Nude Beach Kit. On the back it says Nude Beach Festival Kit, but on their website they call it the Nude Beach Kit, so we'll go with the website name. I don't know why it's different, but whatever. I actually saw this kit way back in the springtime on Sephora. I was considering buying it during the Sephora sale, but it sold out, and then I saw it on the Nudestix website and saw that they were having a sale around Canada Day. I got it for 30% off at that time. They still do have it on the site. It's $79 on the site. So the set comes in this little bag, which I actually quite like this little bag. It's like a nice size, and it's nice and I like a clear bag so I can see all my stuff. It also comes with this Sunkissed Nudies Matte All Over Bronze color. So it's just a cream bronzer on the one side, and then they have a little brush on the other side that you can use to blend it in. And then the kit comes in this tin. All their stuff seems to come in tins. And this has 6 products in it. There are 2 lip products. The first one is Kiss. It's a lip and cheek product. The second one is in Haven, which is a gel color, and Kiss is a matte. And then they have these 4 eyeshadows. 3 of them are the magnetic luminous eye colors. So there's pink Seychelles, Praia. I'm so misspelling that. Rustic, Grotto, and then a magnetic matte eye color in Maroon'd. And in the little tin, you also get a little sharpener. So the tin does come with a mirror, as you can see, reflect myself there. But I will be clear, the mirror is like a little bit of like a funhouse mirror. You look a little wonky in the mirror. It works in a pinch, but it's not one that I would want to use on the regular. So let's just jump into some swatches and a demo, and then I will follow up with my final thoughts on Nudestix as of what I've used so far and this kit. So this is my first time trying Nudestix. Some pros about the product, they are actually really easy to use. I was really surprised even with that magnetic matte color. It was really dark when I swatched it and I was like, oh, I don't know how this is going to work. I'm used to like, cream shadows that either like they just go all over the place or as soon as you swipe it on, it like sets really quickly. I find these don't set so quickly that you can't like blend them. Today I'm just wearing pink Seychelles, just that's the only eyeshadow I have on, and it went on really, really easy. I'm also wearing Kiss as my blush and Sunkissed as my bronzer. Now, also another con is actually the price. I find when I first was looking at them, I'm like, oh, are they expensive? But when you break it down by price, this kit is $79 Canadian, so each product in the kit is actually $11, which is actually a really good price. Full disclosure, I'm not really a pencil product. I think I've talked about this in other videos. I have the NARS lip pencils. I don't know, I'm just never really drawn to using pencil products except for eyeliner. But jumbo pencils for me, I don't know, I just have a weird relationship with them. But I've always been intrigued by Nudestix. I mean, I don't know, that's marketing and stuff, but people seem to rant and rave about these, that they're amazing and they love them. So some cons for me on these is the eyeshadow just doesn't have lasting power. So I guess a pro is that the eyeshadow doesn't crease on me, which is actually really, really nice. So if you have a problem with cream shadows creasing, I haven't found any of these crease on me at all, which is really nice. However, I find that with or without eyeshadow primer, they really don't last. They maybe last like 4 to 5 hours on me, and I find by like hour 5, 6, like they're really worn off. I mean, they do fade nicely, so there's that, but for me, other eyeshadows will last all day long, whereas these just don't last all day long. I also find with the bronzer, again, I was worried when I first used it, I was like, oh my gosh, it's so dark, but you can blend it out. But with the bronzer, it's actually almost easy to blend it right out. Like you can blend it away, and you're like, where did it go? What did I do? So that's a bit of an issue. So you just have to be careful when you're blending to almost not overblend, to kind of like don't freak out when it's dark and blend. But do stop at some point or you're going to overblend. Another con, it's not really a con, but I would say these products are nice, but I'm not sure I get the hype. Like, I guess if you're into like really quick, easy makeup, you're going to love these. But I don't know, I like to like play and have variety and fun, and these are just okay. Like, they're nice to use, but I don't really quite get the hype. Is that just me? So like if you're intrigued, if you've never used Nudestix, I do recommend trying them. Like they're not expensive, they're easy to use. I like how all their colors are fairly like neutral. I mean, it kind of goes with the name Nudestix. So there's nothing in there that's like intimidating or won't be practical. Like you're not going to buy it and think, why did I buy this rainbow eyeshadow palette? You're definitely going to be able to buy products that you're going to use. I do like that they have kits. For me personally, I actually, as much as I say the eyeshadows don't last, I'm more intrigued by the eyeshadows. I'm actually really intrigued by some of the matte eyeshadows. I'd like to maybe try some of the different colors that they have in the matte eyeshadows. The lip products, I guess maybe because both the lip products, the colors just don't quite work for me, so I'm a little less like meh. And as mentioned, I'm a bit meh with pencil lip products. So overall, this is kind of like a one thumbs up, maybe not a two thumbs up, but a one thumbs up for me for Nudestix. Again, I am still interested in trying more of their products, but I don't think these were like life-changing, if that makes sense. Anyway, I hope you liked this video. If you did, feel free to give it the little thumbs up down below. I would love it if you did subscribe to my tiny little channel here in Toronto, Canada. I hope you have a fabulous day, and I'll see you sometime soon. Bye.